create printable invitations. Why pay someone to do it for you when you can do it yourself? Yes, in these tough times, paying an arm and a leg just so you can have invitations you can send out to your potential guests for an event or party is not practical. Cost for invitations through a local printer can set you back around $2 to $3 per invite, and that does not include the actual design of the invitation. Doing it yourself will actually garner you significant savings, and all you really need is a decent computer, a printer, good paper, and some imagination. Here are some applications you can use to create invitations ready for printing. Use Microsoft Word. Open up Microsoft Word, which is probably the easiest application to use to create invites, and start the design. You can create the invites from scratch since this word processing program allows you to fully customize a page to your liking. You can set the dimensions and orientation of the document. You can set the background color or create your own background design. Typing in the particulars will be a breeze as well and can be fully customized with a specific range of fonts available. Font color and size are options you can easily adjust as well. Now, if starting from scratch is a hassle for you, then you can easily find free invitation templates online at office.microsoft.com. Download the template and modify as you see fit. In the end, save the template and print. It is that easy. Use MS Publisher. MS Publisher is a desktop publishing application that is designed to create all types of documents, and invitations are included. The application allows you to use various invitation templates installed and integrated into the application. Like MS Word, you can start from scratch as well. The process may be similar to MS Word but with loads of other features that you can take advantage of. If the current templates available do not cut it, you can search and download invitation templates online as well at the Microsoft Office website. Use Adobe Photoshop. If you are skilled with design or if you plan to make a photo invite, then Adobe Photoshop should suit your needs quite well. The only drawback with using Photoshop is that it is a bit too complex for someone with only basic knowledge of editing. Nevertheless, anyone with a lot of determination and patience can manage it. Once you are done with the design, save and print the project. Use online invitation creation websites. If you want an even easier time designing your invitations that can be printed easily after, then going online and searching for online invitation creation sites you can use is another option. Basically, You can find these sites through a simple Google search, but for those that are too lazy to explore, here are a few sites to consider. dltk-kids.com. This site is great for creating invitations for kiddie events like birthday parties and the like. You can use existing templates or create and customize your own. The interface is intuitive and has all the images you will ever need for a children's party invitation. Bachelorette.com for bridal showers. You can create your invitations seamlessly through this site. It offers you hundreds of templates ready to print after customization. happygreetings.net/baby shower. For baby showers, this is the website to visit. Like the other previously mentioned sites, this site provides templates you can personalize and customize. After customization, whatever you create online can be printed immediately. Yes, you can print it out without having to download it. These are some of the options you can explore to create printable invitations for virtually any event you have your sites on. Now, make sure the printer you use can product quality prints. Furthermore, do not skimp on paper as well. Cardstock or photo paper should be great options for your invitations.